Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you all are enjoying the best of your health. Dear students, yesterday we did practice exercise A and practice exercise of B, and you were assigned to do extended practice exercise A. Now this is the time to give you the feedback regarding extended practice exercise A. Dear students, I have solved this exercise A of extended practice. The sun was shining and the smell of freshly cut grass lingered in the air. Abdullah had been sitting in the garden for a few hours, dozing in his chair. His cat had been laying in the shade of an old tree for a while. The cat had been feeling hungry since morning. It had been looking for food for quite some time, but he did not notice it. He had been dreaming about going on holidays to a tropical island since his exams went over. Suddenly, the cat made a terrible sound to get his attention. He had been wondering why his cat had depicted such a disruptive behavior since he woke up. So students, this exercise is over. Now you are going to solve exercise B of extended practice. Answer the questions about the story using full sentences in the past perfect continuous tense. Students, these are 6 questions and you will answer these 6 questions with the help of the story given in the exercise A. So write the answer and then I will give you the feedback. After writing the answer, you will once again watch the video and get the feedback. The students, I have written the answers for your convenience. The question number 1 is, how long had Abdullah been sitting in the garden? Answer, Abdullah had been sitting in the garden for a few hours. Question number 2, where had the cat been laying? The cat had been laying in the shade of an old tree. The cat had what had the cat been doing since morning? The cat had been feeling hungry since morning. Next question number 4. What had the cat been doing at Abdullah that Abdullah did not notice? The cat had been looking for food that Abdullah did not notice. This is question number 5. What had Abdullah been doing since his exams went over? Abdullah had been dreaming about going on holidays since his exams went over. Question number 6. Why had Abdullah been wondering? Abdullah had been wondering why his cat had depicted such a disruptive behavior. Students, this is now over. We will meet inshallah tomorrow. Take care of yourself. May Allah bless you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.